In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Wix site to start over. If you've made changes to your website and need to go back to a previous state, or if you're looking to make a completely fresh start, this guide will walk you through each step of the process with clarity and precision. We'll make the entire process smooth and stress-free, so let's dive right in. First, we commence by heading over to the Wix website editor. It's crucial to ensure that you're logged into your Wix account, as this is where all the magic happens. If you aren't already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and gain access. Once you're on the editor's main page, you're ready for the next step. Next, direct your attention to the top menu, where you'll notice a section labeled Site. Clicking on Site will unveil a drop-down menu encompassing various options related to your website's setup and maintenance. Take your time exploring these if you're curious, but for now, our focus should remain on the task at hand. Following this, navigate to Site History. This critical section is like a time machine for your website, housing every saved version of your site, allowing you to browse through past designs. Here you'll access every iteration of your site in chronological order, giving you the flexibility to revert your site to any previously saved state. Now, within the Site History section, there will be an option that reads, Go to Site History. Clicking this will take you to a detailed page listing all the changes you've previously saved. This page is particularly handy as it shows you snapshots of your site at various stages, enabling you to select the precise instance you wish to restore. Let's move on to scrolling all the way down to the bottom of this page. Keep an eye out for the earliest version of your site listed there. This oldest version is typically the point where your journey with this site began, representing the most stripped-down version of your work. You might find a simple template if you started from scratch, or it might be an earlier, lesser-developed stage. From here, click on the last saved version. A small arrow should appear beside it. This arrow is your gateway to traveling back to this previous version of your site. Click the arrow to proceed to the next vital steps. Once you've done that, you'll find a button labeled Restore. Pressing this button instructs Wix to reinstate the chosen version of your site, essentially time-traveling your website back to that specific point. After clicking Restore, confirm your choice by clicking Restore again. Don't worry if it takes a minute. Your site is reverting back to that former state. That's it. You've now successfully reset your Wix site. You can now begin fresh or enjoy the tranquility of a previous version.